This one's looking interesting. And I'm going to have the Parallel do the honors. I've been really enjoying the Parallel in 2025. So it's one of my really most favorite knives of the year. I wonder if it came out this year or was it last year? Now I'm not entirely sure. I know for a fact this crystallized titanium came out this year, and man, have I been rocking this knife a ton, guys. So there will be links in the description and pinned comments for all these knives, so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look in here, see what we're working with. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. What is this first one all about? Holy macaroni, ladies and gentlemen. We have a Christmas theme Vosteed Nightshade. I think that's what we're working with here. Mini Nightshade to be exact. So it's got the YG10. It's got some reindeer going on both sides. It's got that sort of copper looking color with matching hardware as well. We'll check that out in a moment, but this is also interesting. We got a matching sort of carry slip as well, right, with a little elastic band on the side, maybe to put your pen on there or what have you. Or it could look something like this. Let's give it a shot. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. I do have this Concept EDC bolt action pen right here we unboxed recently, so that could also work right there on the side, or maybe a smaller pen. That's actually looking pretty nice with the Vosteed logo embossed in the front. We got two more things. We got two leather straps. These have little clip-ons as well, so I'm assuming maybe we can. All right, this is let's see, but exactly how this ties up with this, that's interesting, right? There's also a different color, right? They're a different color finish. This is a darker brown. This is a lighter, more brandy looking color, also branded there with the Vosteed horse. And also we got a little Velcro raccoon, right? Little patch here. And again, what's different here is a black and white raccoon. Most raccoons are in the gray shade, I would say, black and gray and a little bit of white. So this raccoon here with actual color, right? It's interesting to me. We're making good progress so far. Let's get the knife out here, of course, get it deployed, see what it has going on for it. All right, here we go. Bam, right? Check it out. Now, we have checked out the Nightshade before here in the channel. And I want to say this one came out a little while ago, but it's nice to see a nice little refresh here with the Christmas theme. Again, we have that beautiful leaf-shaped blade with a full flat grind. This thing is super slicey. Loving the color matching, of course, going all throughout the knife. And we have a cartridge liner going on this one, so it only goes up until about right there. And we have a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible with a crossbar lock. So we're getting, there we go, pretty snappy action right there. Nice and fidgety. Reverse flick. Yes, we can do that all day. It doesn't really take that much flick of the wrist. Just got to disengage and just let the blade fall shut. It's going to be, I think this is the mini, right? Because there is a big size, regular size Nightshade, and that one's pretty substantial size-wise. But yeah, this mini one right here, I'm still able to get a full 4-finger grip, right? Able to get a full purchase with my average size hand. So still definitely great for everyday carry, no doubt. We have a matching aluminum backspacer here and even some jimping on the liner here at the top. So that's looking pretty tight. And yeah, overall, you know, just a nice little smaller EDC form factor for everyday carry with some great action. And if you like that kukri style, right, geometry right there, this one, of course, is going to be right up your alley. Of course, it's available in many different variants. I'm not sure if this Christmas one is just a special version for content creators or if they have it on the website, but I will have all the links down below so you guys can check them out. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.